The content of this recording is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be legal or therapeutic advice. Help make the School of Custody great by sharing input on important topics that you would like to hear in the future in the comments or by visiting our website at schoolofcustody.com.
Fathers, are you an unmarried father? Well, married fathers are automatically presumed to be the parent of their children. However, a mother is considered to be the parent of a child because they gave birth to him, but the father is not. So if you did not sign a voluntary parentage declaration at the hospital or at your local child support services, child welfare services office or state office, then you probably don't have a declared parentage, and this is something you want to clear up. So check with those offices and see if you can get a copy of your voluntary declaration of parentage. That's what it's called in the state of California. I know in Colorado it's called an AOP, and it might be a little bit different in every state, but it's pretty much the same, where you have to declare your parentage. And why do you want to do this? If there's a problem or a conflict with the other parent, you have no legal right to your child. It means you may not have access to them for weeks or months while you try to get your parentage established. And it's voluntary because both parents need to sign this document, the voluntary declaration of parentage. And so if the other parent won't sign it, a father may have to take court action in order to prove parentage. And this might include DNA testing. So you don't want to wait on this. Sign it at the hospital if at all possible. Otherwise, get into the office and get it declared right away. Of course, this is used when setting child support. It allows you to file custody actions within the court. They're going to need the parentage established. If it's not established again, it's going to take you weeks or months to get through the court system and get it done. After parenting has been established, then neither parent is in charge unless they are given full legal and physical custody. Now, in some cases, you might be given physical custody, but not legal custody. That's the decision making. But in this instance, what we're talking about is just the basics of getting started. So how do you know if you filled out a voluntary declaration of parentage? Maybe you were so stressed out at the hospital you can't even recall. You can actually go to the office of child welfare services or your hospital, check and see on the records, was the voluntary declaration of parentage filled out? You can obtain a copy of this by reaching your state or county child welfare services organization and get a declaration showing your child's parentage. Also, you need to obtain a birth certificate of your child, and this is done by going to the recorder's office in the county in which your child was born. So why does the state care about establishing the father as a parent? It's because they want both parents to support the child. And what this means is health insurance, child support, inheritances, or veterans benefits. The child deserves to have the benefit of both parents' resources supporting them. There's something called the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act. It basically makes sure that children with parents in another state are supported, and they can enforce it across state borders. So mothers are trying to seek control of the child, and they don't want to relinquish a child, especially a young one, to their father. And so they will fight you on trying to establish your parenting. They'll make you go to court. That might take a couple months. During that time process, they might accuse you of a substance abuse or a mental health issue or some other issue that makes you an unfit parent. So it's really important to be on your best game at this point, and you may want to reach out on divorce and separation coaching so you can make sure that you're the best version of yourself and ready to be a good, capable co-parent.
At School of Custody, we care about what you need and want to know. Please leave comments in the comments section about anything that you'd like to hear on future episodes. And if you'd like to leave us a message anonymously, you can visit the website for School of Custody at schoolofcustody.com and email us any questions or suggestions for future content. Thank you and have a great day.